Alright, these little things are called Sassy Sallies, and they should be called Screamin' Sallies. They are loud, and that's what I really like about them, although they last about maybe 5 to 10 seconds long. But I'm going to do 3 at a time, and I'm also kind of doing it in this awning right here, so it's going to be even louder. Hope. Got 2 off. Nope, I got 3. I can't wait to watch the, I wish you could see all this smoke, to watch the video of this to see how loud it actually was, because when I say that my ears were ringing, I mean they were absolutely ringing. These things really, really pack a punch, especially 3 at a time. It'd be really cool to know the decibel level on those, but that's that. And this is my baby girl, who is a fellow pyro. She is my creation.